Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to download crypto.com on your desktop or your PC. So in order to do it, you first need to launch your web browser in your PC, and then in the search bar, if you search for crypto.com and if you come on its official website, you will not be able to see any of the options that would help you to download it in your PC, or basically there is no PC version is available for crypto.com exchange. If you come on this website, you will be able to see the download app option, which is the mobile application. But for PC, you need to download and install any third-party application like BlueStacks or LD Player, and then you just have to install them in the device. After that, you just have to log in into your Google Play Store or App Store, and from there, you just have to download crypto.com application, and this way you will be able to start using it. Now, if you want to add the crypto.com extension into your PC, then you need to click on the three horizontal lines or the three dots in the top right hand corner, and then hover over to extensions and click on visit from web store. Here in the search bar, you will have to search for crypto.com. Now, once you have found the crypto.com extension, you simply need to select it, and then you just have to add it into your web browser. After that, you will be able to start using it or the DeFi wallet very easily into it. But if you want to download the crypto.com application, then you will have to just follow the BlueStacks and LD method. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.